Okay guys, here's a 3D rendering of the kitchen to size and scale. Starting with the range wall. The range is in the same position as you currently have. My hands are tied as far as altering the base because of the existing tile. So we have the same run on the base, no open bookshelf on the left. The upper cabinets are in line with the left. They don't stop short. And the uppers are a couple inches taller than what you currently have. And then a cove crown molding across the top, which goes well with the shaker door. And that cove crown molding looks like this, just a cutaway view of it. 3.5 inches across the face, which is similar size to what you currently have. Drawer stack on the right. We broke up the run of cabinets with just a standard cabinet here, an adjustable shelf, and then there'll be light rail on the bottom, which is a piece of trim to finish off the bottom of the cabinets, which looks like this. This is the light rails, and this is a kitchen that we did. So this is the style that it will look like here. Then they don't have any crown molding here, but another example is like this. Again, just a light rail. This is a shaker style, only cherry, and then that same crown molding that we'll do in yours. But this is the construction style. And on the fridge side here, let's hide this wall so I can see it better. Refrigerator, same spot to land this fridge leg in the same cutout. Drawer bank here, about 30 inches wide, which is fine. Trash, adjustable shelf for this door. And then right here, this drawer front will be cut in half. Top will be a third, bottom 2/3, and then the breadboard is attached to that, and just a shallow drawer underneath with a hole in that cutting board. And then there's two 50-quart trash cans in here. Dishwasher is moved. Let me hide these again. Dishwasher is on the right side of the sink. And this cabinet here, just for cutting board, cookie sheet dividers. And then you guys are going to cut this back, so the countertop will just extend straight back here is what it sounds like you were doing. So, and then that sink, when we have these sinks on a 45 here, we just have to cut into that cabinet to make those drop in there like you currently have. So anyway, that's a layout of what we have. Thanks, guys.